What's up, Scott? What's up, guys? Triple Threat here. So today, someone bought my gold trophy. So today I have a video. We're doing a 50k pro pack opening, and someone bought my other gold trophy. I did just do this video, but then the recording cut out. I got a Larry Fitzgerald, a Carson Palmer. I got I forgot who he was. It was a Greg Olson, the 86 overall, and then I got a Carson Palmer. Someone just bought him, and I got this Larry Fitzgerald. And I sold one of my players. So I have to redo that. But now I have more money than I actually did because I sold all the guys. So I did make a profit. So let's get right into this 50k pro pack opening. In the first one we get Colin Kaepernick. Okay. Second one. Reveal, we get nothing. This one, what tactics should I use? Nose. Yeah. That did not work. I'm just gonna open them one by one. Oh! 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 I'm screenshotting it. So that's probably already our profit back already. So let's keep going right through. Okay, there's that. Like DJ Khaled says, another one. What did I get? What did I get? I saw an update team. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Sorry for the screenshot, but that's amazing! That's guaranteed profit right there already. Reveal all? Oh, I didn't get anything that time. That was amazing! 2 elite pulls already, so sorry about that, that pause. So let's keep going. This is our last one. If I pull an elite, I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so I didn't pull an elite. But, let's just do one more. One last one. Another one. Another one. Okay, so we didn't get anything good. Let's go to sets. And let's put the ones that we're not using in this gold player trade-in. So, all of them in there. See if we can get any elite trophies. And my luck is fire right now. Oh, I did not expect any of that at all. So let's throw these guys in there. And open this. No golds. Let's do one last one. Sorry if you might hear a crinkly noise. I'm moving around right now. So, okay, we got 2 gold trophies. So, I still cannot believe that I got this. This Darian Stewart. Holy crap. I wonder how much he goes for. Darian Stewart. Here he is. No, that's not him. 94 overall. That's immediate profit right there. Just from that one pull. I can't believe this. I'm going to put him up for 90k. No, let's put him up for 80k. So 71 here. I cannot believe I got that. And then I got these elite trophies. And I forgot about this Michael Kendricks collectible. Let's first put up these the elite trophy and the gold trophies. So the price, buy now price 8,500. No, that's 85,000. And starting bid 5,000. Post it. And then this one 5,000 for 500. Post all three of these. And now we're going to search up how much this Michael Kendrick collectible goes for. I still cannot believe that I got that. Michael Kendricks. So, Kendricks. I think that's how you spell it. Elite collectible. No. Right here. Oh my god. I cannot believe that we got this. Let's see, 50K. Okay, not 50K. Let's try 40K. Nope. 30K? Yeah, I'm gonna put them up for 30K. So, we're gonna make a profit of 30K. We're gonna make a profit of about 50K with all these. We got a gold trophy, a Darian Stewart, an elite trophy, a Michael Kendricks. I didn't get that Larry Fitzgerald in this one. And I got 2 more gold trophies. So that was amazing. And just to top it off, let's open one more. Hopefully I pull another fire pull like I did all the. I cannot believe that. So yeah, I just got Orlando Skendrick. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And peace.